has declared that for class 8 to class 11 the examinations will be online or they will be promoted. That they will promote easily, so all will be passed. Now after this, in means other boards, what they will do. Welcome to our channel Study with Amit. I am Amit and today I am here with the most important thing for class 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So if you are there from class 8 to class 12, so this video is for all of you. ये वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए है जो क्लास 8 से क्लास 12 के बीच में है. तो ये वीडियो को स्किप ना करें. Watch this video till end to know that what is it. Examinations for class 8, 9, 10th and 11th are not going to be held. अब नहीं होगी 8वीं और से 11वीं तक की परीक्षा. It is released by the Jharkhand government, Jharkhand Education Ministry, and here it is said that अब नहीं होगी 8वीं से 11वीं तक की परीक्षा. As you can see here. So it says that 8वीं, इसमें यह लिखा है कि 8वीं, 9वीं, 11वीं की वार्षिक परीक्षा अब नहीं होगी. कुछ दिनों पहले ही इन कक्षा के छात्रों को परीक्षा लेने की बात कही गई थी, बट नाउ दे आर प्रमोटेड, मीन्स दे विल डायरेक्टली बी प्रमोटेड टू द नेक्स्ट क्लास. So that's said in this. After that it says that from the sources it is said that झारखंड एकेडमिक काउंसिल ने इन कक्षाओं के छात्र छात्राओं की परीक्षा नहीं लेने का प्रस्ताव दिया है. सभी स्कूली शिक्षा और साक्षरता विभाग मंथन कर रहे हैं. Here it is written that 11th की कक्षाओं की छात्र छात्राओं की परीक्षा सही ढंग से नहीं हुई है. It says that it means that class 11th and for class 11th the schools were not opened. So that's the reason that they were not taught properly. इसी कारण that's why this the promotion policy is applied by the government. Yes, we had thought of this promotion policy and this is applied in Jharkhand. यहाँ पे ये अप्लाई किया जा रहा है. हमने यही बात रखी थी, हमने यही सोचा था कि हमें प्रमोट कर दिया जाए क्लास 9 सभी स्टूडेंट्स को, क्लास 9 और क्लास 11th के स्टूडेंट्स को प्रमोट कर दिया जाए. बट नाउ वी आर सीइंग दैट फॉर क्लास 9th to class 11th the examinations are not going to be held. हाँ, it is written. The main thing is here that सभी परेशानियों को देखते हुए उन्हें प्रमोट कर दिया जा रहा है और सेशन 21-22 के सत्र में अप्रैल माह से नए क्लास की पढ़ाई शुरू करा दी जाएगी. ऐसा करने से this will happen that from April the examinations will start and due to this academic session will come in correct format as it was lacking behind. So that's why it is done. Here the possibility is also written that if if the examinations of class 9th and class 11th are held, यदि क्लास 9th और क्लास 11th की एग्जामिनेशंस ली जाती है तो यह परीक्षा जून में ही करा पाना संभव होगा. और बिकॉज दे आर नॉट टॉट प्रॉपरली, क्लास 9th एंड क्लास 11th स्टूडेंट्स मीन्स उनको पढ़ाया नहीं गया सही ढंग से और दे आर टेलिंग फॉर एग्जामिनेशंस. So that's why it is said that अभी ले पाना पॉसिबल नहीं है एग्जामिनेशन. सो यदि हम लेते हैं ऑफलाइन एग्जाम तो हमें जून तक जाना होगा. वी हैव टू गो टिल जून and we have to wait for it and the next session will be disturbed due to this. They will not get the time to study in class 10th and class 12th. Those will move from 9 to 10th and 11 to 12. For them it will be a very crucial period due to this. Because of this, the thing which is said that if the examinations are not going to occur till June, मतलब कि जून, it will start from June, फिर जुलाई में खत्म होगी, it will be end till July. So जुलाई में यदि एंड होती है तो उसके बाद सेशन ही कितनी लंबी रहेगी? अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जन, फेब, 6 to 7 months approx. So what you will do in 6 to 7 months? It also said that if the examinations are offline यदि ली जाती है तो पहले 3 महीने अभी से, means March, April and May, 3 months it will be taught, means they will have to come to school and in offline mode the teachers will cover the syllabus properly and they will have to teach all the things in means well defined manner as the students learn it. स्टूडेंट्स को जो समझ में आया ऐसे उन्हें समझाना होगा. then only this examinations, offline examinations can be there. So this is very important thing. And after this, at last it is written, सबसे पहले झारखंड में, झारखंड is the first state to do this. Means the examination, it has declared that for class 8 to class 11 the examinations will be online or they will be promoted. If the mode is not there, if the facility is not there for students, यदि students के पास वे सारे facilities नहीं है तो उन्हें promote कर दिया जाएगा. They will not have to give online exams. Online exams उनके लिए necessary नहीं है, उन्हें ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स नहीं देना पड़ेगा और उन्हें डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम क्लास 8 to 9th, 9 to 10th and so on they will be promoted. So this is the thing, it has the first state. So we want this, the whole thing which is going on for class 9th and class 11th online exams is needed, and all the students are there, and many of the students are there in favor of this online exams due to few reasons which are very valid, I think. So this, the thing which Jharkhand government has said coming forth, so this we need in every sector, every state, we need this type of, this kind of leadership quality. In Jharkhand it is said they will promote easily, so all will be passed. Now after this, in means other boards, what they will do now, if it is there then we can show it. जैसे कि ये पहले स्टेट बने, झारखंड पहला स्टेट है, और ऐसे ही we can show this to other state, other boards, and we can present this as, means हम इसे दिखा सकते हैं कि देखो जो कि this state has taken the online examination or they have promoted from class 9 and class 11 students. So you should also do the same thing. The same thing you should also follow as this state has done. So this was the important thing. So share this video. Thanks for watching this. Thank you. Have a good day and Jai Hind.